Greetings, coders. Welcome to AI Expert Reviews. Today's spotlight is on Supermaven AI, the tool that's set to supercharge your coding efficiency. Supermaven, launched in 2024, isn't just about speed. It's about making your coding experience smarter and more intuitive. Blazing fast suggestions. With Supermaven, you'll spend less time waiting and more time coding, thanks to its industry-leading speed. Deep context understanding. Its 1 million token context window means better code suggestions that fit perfectly into your project's bigger picture, saving you from context-switching headaches, personalized coding experience. Over time, Supermaven learns your coding style, offering suggestions tailored just for you, speeding up your workflow. Innovative features. From Supermaven Chat for quick queries to Babble for natural language coding, you get tools that make complex tasks simpler. Seamless integration. Works smoothly with your favorite IDEs, like VS Code, JetBrains, and NeoVim, ensuring your development environment feels enhanced, not disrupted. Comparisons. Compared to GitHub Copilot, and Tabnine, Supermaven is notably faster and more responsive. However, its transition to join Cursor raises questions about its standalone future development. Positive future outlook with considerations. Joining forces with Cursor could mean even more tailored UI and model synergies, potentially offering you an even more cohesive coding environment. While this move promises benefits, be aware that Supermaven's standalone development might slow. Also, consider the balance between its privacy practices and your data security needs. Conclusion. For developers looking to accelerate their coding process with smart, context-aware assistance, Supermaven AI is a game-changer. Its integration with Cursor opens new doors for functionality. But keep an eye on how this affects future updates. Thanks for tuning into AI Expert Reviews, where we empower your tech decisions. Stay tuned for more insights.